Guys, as you can see, I do like flashlights. So I had a company reach out to me about their flashlight for EDC, camping, traveling, work, whatever you may use it for. But I just wanted to show you the different size flashlights that I do have. But let's take a look at what they sent me. This here is the WURKKOS HD03 rechargeable flashlight. You can use it again for EDC, camping, emergency, work, traveling, pretty much whatever you want to. It's so small you can slip it right in your pocket. It has a lumen of 680. It is IPX6 waterproof. It comes with a lanyard, and I have not opened it. Their only request when they reached out to me is that they wanted an open box review. So I've not played with this thing. I've not looked at it. I've watched a few little YouTube videos, and that is it, because I want to give you an honest review. So let's just check it out, and we'll take it out of the box. Cut that there. And on the back, there is some info right there you can read. So empty box now. But again, WURKKOS HD03 model. Got a little card right there with some info you can check out. You've got a nice user manual. It looks like a big one. Oh yeah. So we're not going to get into that because this video ain't going to be that long, but I'm pretty sure everything's there that you need. Right here we have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That is the lanyard. There's two lanyards. Well, you know, one's a small one, I would say, to put like on a keychain. Let's just open it up and take a look at it. Yeah, that's one that you can put on maybe like your keychain, attach it to your cell phone somehow, anything like that. Right here is a bigger one. And I would say this is kindly to put it to your backpack or your belt loop. It has a hinged little ring right there. That is neat. And right here is the flashlight itself. Man, that is small. I honestly didn't think it'd be that small. That is small. My goodness. Big time. Now, before I forget, I watched videos. I'm just going to show you what I do know right off the bat. Right here is your USB-C port that you can put your cable on and charge it up. And that is waterproof when you have it shut right there. And it is a IPX6 waterproof. You can pretty much get this thing as wet as you want, besides throwing it in a bucket of water. If you're out in the rain, you know, the dew, anything like that, it will not hurt it at all. On the back here, you have a clip that you could clip it to your hat, your pants, backpack, car, whatever. And if you look pretty close right there, you've got rubber teeth in there like a grip, so it won't slide off or nothing. Over here, so yeah, here is the power button. And this, from what I've seen, you can switch it from spotlight to making it close up more your light. So I'm going to hit the button once. And before I forget, this is magnetic on the back. You can actually stick this to like your car hood when you're working on it so it'll shine down, or a refrigerator, you know, your car door if you're, you know, just working out somewhere. This will stick. It's magnetic. Now over here is your power button. I'm going to hit it once. There it is. Now on this side, this is a slide button. And if you can see, as I slide it, it makes kind of like a wider light. I'm just trying to figure it out here myself. There's the spotlight. That thing is bright. I don't want to blind you, but holy cow, that is bright. But I figure The best way to show you is I'm going to kill the lights, and we're going to go in another room and we're just going to check it out real quick. Now, the one thing I do want to show you is that when you have a hat on, you can take this and clip it right on your hat so it'll shine down, where you're working. You can take this, clip it onto your pants pocket right there. As you're walking, it'll shine in front of you. I think that is neat. And again, it does have a magnet built in the clip, so you can clip it onto under your car hood as you're looking down on your engine. But I'm going to turn out the lights and we're going to check this out. So bear with me. There's the one brightness. Then I'm going to switch it to that wide mode. As you can see, switch it again. Now bear with me because I've not played with this thing much. There is the spotlight. Now people, I'm just going to get back here where I want you to see how bright that is. Turn it off. Now there is a green light. There it is flashing. It might do better if I get like this and show you. There is another mode, the red. Kind of like a green. Now how you like that one? Let me get a little closer to you. That way you can really see how it is. There is another one. Man, this thing is just neat. You can see all the flashes and everything. SOS. Red SOS. It has over 22 modes on this thing. They'd think you're a policeman there. There's the green. It's like a heartbeat. Well, it's changing to red now. I did not click nothing. It does that on its own. Well, I tell you what, this thing is neat. And like I said, I'm giving you an honest review. I just opened it. I've not played with it. It seems to be simple to work. You just double click for all these different modes. Just 2 clicks real quick. There's that blue, green. I love that one. It's like a police car. There's the red again, the blue. Then you just turn it off. Then if you just want your regular bright again, hit it once. Again. Whoa, that is just bright. I'm telling you people, look how bright that is. This thing is neat. So I'm going to use my refrigerator to show you that it's magnetic. That clip right there on the end where my thumb is, a magnet is built into that. So it'll just stay right there on your car hood or wherever you want to put it. So again, this is the WURKKOS HD03. They are sending me a coupon code. I'm going to put it down in the description. That way you can get this a little bit cheaper. But I flat tell you what, this is a nice light. I'm telling you, you can put this in your pocket easy. Again, the size is ridiculous. It is small, magnetic, a clip. I mean, I don't know what else you would want in a light. And with all the features, 22 plus features on it, waterproof, magnetic, comes with 2 lanyards. I think that is neat. And then it comes with your USB-C cable. You are not going to beat this for a flashlight. I'm flat telling you. And what I love about this is you don't have to put batteries in it. You can just keep recharging it over and over. And with all the flashlights I have a small one and it's bigger than this. And I've been carrying it in my pocket for a while. Let me grab it. This here is my flashlight that I usually carry in my pocket. And as you can see, it's not magnetic. It is rechargeable, but there's a big difference in the size right there. So I'm going to save size in my pocket by carrying the WURKKOS big time. This one doesn't have a magnet. You know, it's bigger. It has a big old clip. You can clip it to your pants or something. But this is a spring-loaded clip, and I love that right there with rubber teeth on it. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, hands down, this is going to be my new best friend, and I do appreciate it, WURKKOS, for sending this. They reached out to me. I didn't reach out to them, and I do thank them for that. I hope to get more products from them. But if you're a prepper, if you're someone who likes to be prepared for emergencies, you are not going to beat this. This is like carrying a little folded up five $1 bills in your pocket. It is that small. I mean, it's ridiculous small, but ridiculous bright, waterproof. So I do recommend this. I have nothing bad to say about this at all. It comes in different colors. You need to check it out. I will put the link in the description as well as the coupon code. And hey, I appreciate you watching the video, but this is something to check out. Hey, take care of your family and God bless.